Hello, my name's Dr. Sue Whittle and I'm a senior lecturer in biochemistry at the University of Leeds. In this podcast, we're going to look at the way in which living things metabolize glucose to provide energy. There are basically 4 sections here. In the first, I will look at some useful background information, such as oxidation and reduction reactions, and the form of energy that living things use. In the next 3 sections, we'll consider how glucose is metabolized to produce energy in the form of ATP through glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. Every living organism needs energy. It uses this energy for a wide range of different purposes, such as movement, growth, and replication. Looking at this from a molecular perspective, energy is required for synthesis of new molecules, such as DNA and proteins, to drive some enzyme-catalyzed reactions and active transport, and a whole host of other purposes. All organisms can obtain energy by metabolizing glucose. This process is known as cellular respiration. We have all seen the equation for obtaining energy from glucose in the presence of oxygen, producing carbon dioxide, water, and energy, as is shown here. This is an example of an oxidation reaction. And before we go any further, we need to talk a bit about oxidation and reduction reactions, as this concept comes up regularly during the rest of this talk. There are several ways to define oxidation and reduction. At this level, we think about this process in terms of the transfer of electrons. In an oxidation reaction, electrons are lost, while in a reduction reaction, electrons are gained. You'll remember this as oil rig from your GCSE science. Oxidation is loss, reduction is gain. We refer to these reactions as redox reactions because they come in pairs. If one molecule is oxidized, then another is reduced. In this talk, we'll come across a series of very important redox reactions involving a coenzyme or cofactor called NAD.